Alrighty, think I'm live. Here's a disclaimer. Alrighty. So let me delete some stuff from my chart. Midnight open, previous day, midnight open, London high, Asia high. Using like this buy side liquidity. I want to move lower before I start looking for my longs for this high. But ES has already taken out that high. It's already at all-time highs. Or yeah, this is a bullish day. We want to make all-time highs, so we're pretty close to doing so. Along with this swing low, maybe. Session just started. I think price wants to go higher overall. It was bullish. Yeah. I think overall, I think it wants to go higher. I do think I can catch longs tonight, but it's about time, so what time am I going to catch them at? Damn. So we created this new day opening gap and just traded right back up to it. Excuse me. there's so many breakers inside of here. We even swept south side, so yeah, longs were like the only thing you could have done here. Even then, like, the market just opens, you're not gonna take a trade, but yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna mark it out as a breaker. That's about it. I don't need to mark anything crazy. We might have a good night for price action. Okay. Oh man. Went right back up to that new day opening gap. I'd want to see us manipulate some type of low. I'm not gonna long immediately at market open. That's crazy. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna want to buy in the discount, so under that 50% level. Sensational. Sensational. Rito? Naughty boy. Super tired today, I'm not even gonna lie. Dude, chill, my nose is clogged, bro. Rito. Swing high, swing low. Okay. Well, we'll see what happens. Yeah, this is pretty weird price action, but I'm not getting any signs yet to enter any trade yet. So, yeah, I'm just gonna keep watching. I don't care about SMTs on the buy side. I think we're super bullish, so yeah. And ES is about to create all-time highs again. So yeah, I don't really care. What the fuck? Bro. What the fuck? Excuse my language. Trying to add some text to the screen. Give me a second. Okay, we have the ticker, so you can see what I'm trading in the top right. Yeah, it's basically what I'm trading. So, yeah. Could have some bad price action right now. I don't know. Well, we're respecting this fair value gap. Maybe let's paper trade that long. Let's see what happens. 625 and take profit 35 points there. I feel like that would get stopped out though. so I'm not even gonna bother. But this fair value gap. Is it a 2-minute fair value gap? I would put my stop loss at this swing low. I'm not trying to excitedly like jump on every single opportunity presented. The market's having kind of messy today, so to say the least. I mean, we had this final run up for the day, but yeah, this was initiated at 1:30. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Respecting this fair value. Wow. Yeah, that's a beautiful trade opportunity right there. I'm going to be live tomorrow, New York session, taking some fire trades. So, yeah, I paper traded today's New York session. We're really respecting this 2-minute fair value up, making me want to assume we're pushing higher, but until I get that strong displacement, I'm not entering. Because if we push higher, the next immediate target is this, and then all this equal highs. Oh my gosh, that looks so clean to me. But I would want to take such a precision entry would be one below this low, so that we have swept sell side, so we can move flawlessly to buy side. But can't ask for that perfect price action. We'll see what happens. Looks like we're now starting to push higher. That's an $80 stop loss. If I enter this trade, it's $80 stop loss. I mean, I'm not entering this. This is not strong to me. Keeping myself out of trouble. Not entering this trade. Price is waging a war with my mind, so let's see how this war continues. Yeah, this chair's loud. Let me test the audio real quick. I'm gonna open up the live stream from my phone. Let me test the audio real quick. I'm gonna open up the live stream from my phone. Alright. I think the audio is pretty good. There shouldn't be too much going on in the background, so yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, I'm glad I kept myself out of that long. We didn't get any price acceleration. So now I'm looking for us to displace below this low. Maybe come back into this 5-minute fair value gap, maybe sweep this low. Hopefully sweep that low, that's a best case scenario. But now it's definitely looking like we're accelerating to the downside. My ideal trade right here, and maybe one that I might not get, or might not be might be too much that I'm asking for. But since we swept south side, we've created SMT divergence with ES, but I'm really trying to kind of disregard that. So yeah, I mean, I'll see what happens. Recent swing low, maybe creating a 1-minute bullish order block that we might respect. Now, I might want to. My interest is always going to be in longs tonight. I feel like unless we get some significant shifter, but I'm looking for longs, to be honest. What's the news tomorrow? It looks like there's no news tomorrow. Okay, we have 8:15 news tomorrow. Jobless claims and price index year-over-year PCE. Okay, so no trading for me until 9:30 tomorrow. No pre-market trades. That's nice. If there's any background noise, please ignore it. I don't know. There's always something going on in my damn background. But yeah. It's a 2-minute fair value gap, by the way. Let me actually write that out. Looks like we inversed it. Oh my gosh, come on, man. Why does it do that? Alright, we're good. Sorry about that. Inverse it. No, I'd want us to trade above it, or else the next target's this low. But yeah, I'm sitting on my hands right now, not trading, not doing anything right now, just watching the price and being disciplined, being patient. Yo, how much background noise is there? Yo, can someone put in the chat if there's any background noise, like a little buzz in the background or anything? I'm just gonna be on mute while I'm not talking. I'm not really gonna start tripping over the fact that we're driving higher. I mean, this could just be a little internal sweep and then push lower again. But I want to see price do its thing. Maybe create some bullish fair value gaps if that is the case. If we do want to go higher right now. A good sign that I could have longed down there was we bounced on my bearish order block. I mean my bearish, no, my bullish breaker block that I marked out earlier. So yeah, that could have been a little sign that we're pushing higher and that this was just a sweep. But either way, I don't know what's about to happen. I'm not a wizard. I can't predict price. We'll see what happens with this bullish fair value gap.
Order filled.
Entered longs. Target's gonna be buy side. It's a pretty wide stop loss to be honest, but yeah, I'm willing to risk a little bit more for this trade. Had my displacement, had my tap into the fair value gap. That's all I really want to see. I mean, yeah, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, but we'll see. I'm pretty confident on this one. Market's moving super slow. We have the rest of the night anyways. Alrighty. I'm definitely willing to exit this trade if we displace beneath this fair value gap. Yeah, that's Probably gonna make me exit the trade if we get that problem. So let's see.
Order filled.
Position gone. I was on mute. Started to displace through that fair value gap. Not worth it. Minus 66 on the day so far. And yeah, it is what it is. I'm not expecting a fast-paced market tonight. Maybe not yet. But yeah, I think it was a good exit. Saved myself $70 by the looks of it. Shorts might be appropriate right now towards the initial sell side liquidity low. Alrighty, I'm gonna be on mute and we'll just continue watching price. What's up, Akshay? How you doing? I might start the stream tomorrow at around 8:30 a.m. Eastern timing. Maybe a little bit later though. But yeah, it's gonna be my first New York session stream. Just gonna be locked in for New York session and a little thing before pre-Thanksgiving trading. So yeah, I wish they did Wednesday night football, but it is what it is. All right, this price action sucks. I'll be back in a few minutes. Yeah, price hasn't really done much since I took my little interval. I could have just kept my stop loss there, but you know, this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, well, that is the trade. Now I'm gonna try this. I like this trade a lot more than my
Order
previous one.
filled.
I like this one more. Now, if it wants to stop me out, then I'll accept it, but I'll accept the fact I was wrong, but I'm taking this trade off of the fact that we're just respecting the fair value gaps, and yeah, I mean, shit, I hope it works, but can't control it if it doesn't. A bearish order block is not what I like to see. I rushed into this position. I rushed into this one. We're literally just consolidated. There's nothing happening. I want to see displacement above these highs in like the next 10 minutes maybe. Tops. 650 right now. Just getting wrecked, bro. Just getting freaking wrecked, bro. Are you kidding me? It is what it is. I'm keeping my stop loss there, no matter what. So, if it wants to stop me out, then it will do that, but let's hope it doesn't. I'm very confident it will. Ultra confident it's going to stop me out. The slow price action has been killing me lately. Yesterday's was amazing, but I've just been getting cooked. Man, we respected the fair value gaps. Like, can we not do so again? Guess that's the better entry. Man, this price action is making me sleepy. It's like the candle's going back and forth, like just literally 0.25. One tick, not even a full point. It's just going up and down, one tick, one tick, one tick, yeah. Let me make this ticks. I feel like that's just better. This would stop me out, collect more buyers at a lower price after it stops me and then go higher. That's a very real possibility. That's what I think is going to happen. If I thought that was going to happen, then why did I enter? Yeah. It's going to stop me out. Come on. Bro, just do it. It's going to stop me out.
Order filled.
There we go. Got stopped out. Down 170 on the day. I'm just getting cooked by the market, bro. Watch it do exactly what I said, bro. Stop me out, now run to the take profit. Man, watch it do that. That would be so fucking annoying, dude. I've just been getting cooked this week. It is what it is. Gotta trade better. Okie dokie. There's nothing going on in this market. I'm gonna be on mute. The usefulness of a stop loss. Look at that. I'm gonna be eating my food, but I'll keep an eye on the market and come back if anything is worth discussing. But until then, just a 10-minute break eating my food.
Have you ever tried to visit a website only to have like 90% of it taken up by ads? Pi.org is a web browser extension that lets you decide what
Doing good, bro. The bang. I'm doing good. I'm chilling. Appreciate you asking. No, I'm not trading Australian USD. I don't trade forex. I have the ticker in the top right. I'm trading Nasdaq, so micro Nasdaq. Oh, you deleted your comment? All right, that's cool.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Entered this long right here. Swept this liquidity. We haven't displaced quite yet, so that's why it's risky, but it's also an early entry because we had some accumulation, then we had an internal sweep, and then we also pushed higher. We failed to create anything out of this bearish, super bearish candle right here, so it just it's kind of led me to the assumption that we're gonna move higher. So yeah, I'm gonna be on mute, still eating dinner. However, before I mute up, one thing that we could do is disregard my trade, stop me out, and what we could potentially do is come into this 5-minute fair value gap, take out this low, test it one more time. But that's why I want to see strength in this trade immediately. And yeah, I don't want this to be just another swing high. So yeah. Alrighty. And take profit is going to be this buy side liquidity over here. Nasdaq. Yeah. Okie dokie. Let's see what happens with this trade. What's up, Khaled? Appreciate you tuning in. Yeah, first time here? Nice. This is my third live stream on the channel. Michael Eden, long also. Nice, bro. Yeah, I mean, I think there's a possibility that we just come take out this low and then that would be a good long, but as of right now, my position, man, I almost got stopped out. I almost got stopped out, Brody. You need some music? Yeah, dude, I'm just eating my dinner right now, so I'm just chilling. But typically I'm talking more, Typically I'm talking more, but I'm just eating dinner, watching some YouTube on the side, and then I'm gonna get back to it. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, Michael. Yeah, I'm glad to know you're long as well. Are you long using ICT concepts or? Yeah, what are you trading with? I want to know. Yeah. Thanks for letting me know. Also, where's your stop loss placed?
Order filled.
Okay, I've been stopped out, and yeah, I'm down 300 on the night. It's not good at all. If you're watching me, do not copy my trades. Yeah, it's just educational content. I'm on Top Step and more of a momentum trader. Selling pressure exhausted. Okay, interesting. What's good, Luke Haran? What's up? I'm watching this possible double bottom. I mean, I'm not really looking at this as a double bottom, Michael. I'm looking at this as maybe we can sweep the sell side. And that's crazy because that was my original idea. I've been just losing because I haven't been playing true to my initial idea. We got 8 viewers in here. That's like the most I've had at one time. So, what's up, y'all? I got a limit buy at that bottom wick of the last move. Wow. Wait, that's amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Great job, Blue Boy. No, that's great. Bottom wick right here. That's crazy. Wow. Good stuff. That's a little bit scary though to trade on the opening candle, which is why I kind of disapprove of that. But I mean, it worked. Hopefully you don't get stopped up. Stuff is not going to be normal. Yeah, no, of course, behave normal. Yeah, it's not going to behave normal at all. You're right. Yeah. I'm not really looking for like some type of crazy 3,000 point play. But I mean, at the end of the day, I think ICT prevails. So I think we're going to sweep this sell side. And then move towards the buy side I have marked out over here. So yeah. By the way, Michael, I'm more of a ICT trader. I don't really do like momentum or supply and demand or selling, buying pressure. I like to trade with ICT. MOC bottom, measure it out. What is MOC, Blue Boy? I might know this. I'm just brain's frozen a little bit. I don't know. The 15 minute. It's looking nice. Yeah, I want to see us sweep this low before I even enter a trade at this point. I'm already down 300 on the night. It's not looking too sharp. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm going to be on mute for a little bit. 250 to 3 market on close. Okay. Technically swept this low. I like the ICT concept, but I haven't trained enough to see it. draw a range on those times from yesterday. 250. Let's do this on the 5 minute. Today is the 26th, so 25th. Oh, CST, not EST. Okay. Okay. Um, if it's CST, I'm assuming it's just a little bit back. I mean, about the ICT concepts, by the way, Michael. I mean, Blue Boy. Oh, yeah, Michael. About the ICT concepts. 1 hour and 10 minutes before market closes, to be clear. That's why I'm at limit. Okay, nice. So, Blue Boy, what's your target and where's your stop loss placed at? So I'm just curious. I want to know because you had a good limit order. So, Michael, about ICT concepts, it's a lot to train yourself on for sure. There's like a lot to learn about it. But I feel like what ICT talks about that's super interesting is that the market operates on an algorithm that's already pre-programmed and everything. So it moves for two reasons: to hunt liquidity and fill imbalances. So yeah, imbalances are like fair value gaps, like what I have marked out here, this 5 minute, which is also where price bounced. Then what is it? We have to mark out things like this new day opening gap for Wednesday, which is what happened tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern timing. Excuse me. So yeah, there's a lot of nuances with ICT, but right now I've been quite the drawdown tonight. It is what it is. I mean, I didn't come in here expecting to be all perfect. So yeah, I want ES 60/30 till 60/43 plus. Okay, let's see. 60/43 plus. Nice. And why are you targeting 60/43 plus? Just curious. Also, ES could create all-time highs like very soon. Not tonight, maybe tomorrow, but it's pretty close. It's up there, you know, compared to Nasdaq. I think Nasdaq's gonna make the slower dredge towards all-time highs. I did sleep before the market opened at 6, so I could just get some rest, clear my mind, be ready for the session. I think it's good. I'm gonna be on mute for a minute. Alrighty, I'm back. Yeah, Blue Boy still in longs. That's good, bro. That's good. I think longs are completely valid right now. I mean, we tapped back into that 5 minute fair value gap. I mean, I don't know. I just, I think, I still think I want to see the low be taken out, but by the looks of it, we might run without doing so. That's too risky for me. I've already taken quite the impact today, so I'm not scared to put on more risk, honestly, but now it's a matter of am I being patient enough? So, yeah. Can delete that. But yeah, this would be my stop loss, and then how much did I risk? Well, lost 300. Each trade had a stop loss, so yeah, it was 3 trades, which is not bad. But that means I lost 3 out of 3 trades, which like is completely. And the whole time I was losing the money. Oh, on the last trade, like $130, yeah. Um, yeah, this is. Longs are good, for sure. I don't personally trade ES just because I like the movement on Nasdaq, but yeah, I think ES definitely has some great setups like here and there. Oh, this is a buy model. This is a really clean buy model to me. Swept the sell side, playing towards this buy side. It's cool. Keep at it, man. Yeah, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm not tripping about the losses, bro. I'm not tripping about that. Losses happen. I'm pretty calm right now. I'm pretty collected, so I'm kind of like happy about that. But yeah, losses happen. It's a natural part of trading. It's a trading tuition. So yeah, it is what it is. How old am I? I'm 18. I trade either. ES was just stronger. What about you, Luke? How old are you? I trade either. ES was just stronger to upside, so I went for it. Yeah, that's a good point. In fact, let me take a look at YM. I don't ever trade this. Yeah. Oh, YM's at all-time highs. What the heck? This is crazy. 22 EMA on 2 minute. Reverse vision with small profit. So you're shorts now, Michael. Are you short? Are you short, Michael? I'm not gonna change my bias. I'm still long bias, but have you switched to shorts? Young man, I'm 26. Nice, man. Yeah, I see your. Yeah, I'm assuming everyone in chat is a trader. So, yeah, good stuff, guys. I'm 41. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, that's all good. Anyone of any age is welcome in the chat. We're all day trading, so it doesn't even matter. How's your day trading journey been, Blue Boy? It's time. If I think we're gonna keep going up, could be wrong, but it's a cheap trade. Yeah, yeah. I like entry at the, we're approaching the 750. Bro has 2 fair value gaps on his chart. Is there something wrong with that, bro? I mean, that's okay. I can have fair value gaps, right? Yeah, 5 minute over here. I feel like 5 minute fair value gaps hold a lot of importance. You're short now, I want to buy, but not yet. Okay, yeah, that's valid. So just taking your short term profits and then playing the longer move later. I respect that. Hardeep, what's wrong with having 2 fair value gaps, bro? I've been trading since ICT first came to Baby Pips. 2009 is when I first started. Wow. Wow, yeah, you've been trading a while. How's it been? What's up? I'm curious. This might be a little bit of a greedy question. Yeah, you don't have to answer it, but what's the biggest trade that you've ever had, profit-wise? And then also loss-wise. So, biggest loss, biggest win. Just curious. I can delete that. I can delete that. And my chart looks so freaking clean. I like this a lot. I would personally short towards here. 968. But I'm not going to do it. Hardeep, I disagree with you. Well, first off, the 2 minute fair value gap that I marked out. Yeah, I didn't really like I just wasn't looking at it, but this is not a fair value gap. This is a new day opening gap for Wednesday, which happened 6 p.m. Well, technically Eastern timing. I don't know where you're at in the world. And 5 minute fair value gap right here, which I found is an important point of contention. Whereas we also have a 15 minute fair value gap, but I decided not to mark that out. But yeah, I think these two are important. The new day opening gap is not a fair value gap, but it is a draw on liquidity typically. 4,000 win, 6,000 loss ever. Started in CFD and Forex, long journey, but got consistent in 2017. Yeah, I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, that's amazing, bro. That's great. Yeah, good stuff. So, one thing I respect about your trading journey, you started in 2009, and it's 2024 now, which means 15 years. And in those 15 years, you've had a $4,000 win, which is like, out of 15 years, that may not seem big, but as long as you're consistent, bro, that's great. So yeah. Yeah, Luke, I absolutely agree with you. But also, I mean, on the journey to getting payouts, you learn so much, bro. Like, I don't think prop firms have taught me so much, bro. So like, yeah, I'm glad to hear that you were consistent for a while now. Yeah, good stuff, Blue Boy. Nice. What made you come to the live stream today? Did this just pop up on you guys as recommended? Just curious. I'm the only person streaming a trade right now. Nice. So it is true what I put in my fucking description though. The only ICT trader trading Asia session right now. That's funny. I'm the only person streaming it right now. No. But yeah, that's cool to hear. Hey, can you guys all do me a favor, please, and just drop a subscribe. Por favor. Thank you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah. Let's have some more conversations in chat. It's kind of fun. Keeps me disciplined because I'm not distracted by the market. I mean, I'm distracting myself with both the market and chat. So, yeah, multitasking. Yeah. Ask any questions in chat. I'd love to show you guys some ICT setups and stuff while my setup is loading on this trade right here, potentially. Done and liked. Oh, I appreciate you big time, Blue Boy. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you. Means a lot. So, let's take a look at the New York session today, which is what I was looking at. I was just paper trading it this morning. I didn't really put any real size on. But what broker? I'm on Top Step right now. I used to trade on it with interactive brokers, but I decided to stop. Okay, let's see. I've been live for an hour, 40 minutes. Down 300, but I do think a banger trade is on the way, so I'm not going to let that discourage me. A gambler never stops gambling anyways, so. Oh, man. My hair is kind of messed up. What the? Alrighty. Don't even matter. I'm in the comfort of my own house, so it doesn't really matter what I look like right now. Okay. Let's see if we took the low already on ES. I mean, I've been kind of disregarding SMT divergences lately, but yeah, let's see. Okay. I think we did sweep the low, actually. No, we didn't. Talk us through your plan right now, Fish. Okay. Man, who is Stewie Griffin? You got some interesting takes, buddy, but I'm not going. Yo, okay, bro. You gotta stop spamming, bro. I don't care. Respectfully. Bro, there's hardly anybody in the chat right now, bro. You don't have to put your shit in all caps. I'm gonna see it anyways. But Blue Boy, my plan is basically I want to see us take this low and then manipulate lower as well. And then finally, once that happens, look for displacement to the upside, which means, and I'm gonna draw it out for you. So it's kind of, all right. I'm blocking Stewie Griffin from the chat real quick. Give me a second. Let's block his dumbass. Let's see. Hi dudes are on this channel. Fuck, I don't know. Whatever. Just deleting all the spam because it's annoying. Okay, got rid of that fool. But basically my plan here is, and I'm gonna draw it out. So hopefully we reject off of this 1 minute fair value gap. Come lower. Tap into this liquidity. Take the liquidity out. Probably displace a little bit lower. Manipulate. Then finally break through. Maybe hold in respect to fair value gap. And then finally begin to just make the slow but steady dredge upwards. And altogether, what I'm expecting here, hopefully me just drawing shapes is like, yeah, I mean, hopefully we respect that fair value gap if we create one. I mean, this is all hypothetical, so just understand that. Yeah, and purely just, that's my plan. Right now we are contending with the 1 minute fair value gap, and we could just be seeing the displacement right here, right now. So, yeah. What else do I trade? I only trade NASDAQ. I used to trade gold, though. And actually, speaking of gold, let's take a look at gold. By the way, thank you for asking so many questions. I appreciate it. Anybody else in the chat, make sure to just ask questions if you have any, and I'll be like more than excited to like answer them. So yeah. Okay. Also, let me know if there's too much background noise. My computer is just making so much noise right now. Gold feels like it's gonna go lower. I mean, there's so much outside liquidity. I don't know if gold forms SMT divergence with silver or not. I've never backtested that, but yeah, so I feel like we could sweep this high, then take this low, and then finally make the way up. But yeah, I mean, this is a 750 macro, so let's take a look. Let me mark that out. Okay, what I'm planning on gold, or what I think about it, I'm gonna focus on NASDAQ for right now, and we'll move into gold later. Hold on. Okay, I'm on the 1 minute. This is a macro. You're in longs. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Hold your longs, man. Hold your longs. Well, I mean, don't take any advice from me, but I think longs are valid. I'm not entering just yet, but I do think they're valid. So, yeah. How many contracts are you in, Blue Boy? I've been live for 1 hour 45 minutes, by the way. Everyone, please drop a subscribe. Please drop a like. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, I'm the only ICT trader streaming Asia session right now, and we're gonna keep this one. We're gonna make this one good. Okay, 750 macro. I'm not really looking for this big little sell side liquidity sweep now. Let's see if ES took sell side liquidity. ES did not. It created equal lows. 2 micros. I expect a long move. Okay, okay. Nice, nice. Yeah, 2 micros. That's a disciplined trade. Good stuff. I expect a long move. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like ES might just create all-time highs tomorrow, day before Thanksgiving, or they could drop the shit out of the market. But you never know. I'm looking for buy side liquidity on Nasdaq, so that's all. Yo, chat's been active tonight. This is good. This is the best I've had. This is the best live stream I've had so far, easily. Active chat, nice participation, answering questions. It's pretty fun. So yeah, everyone, 12 years in here now, please ask questions. Please talk in the chat. Please participate. And yeah, it's like, I just want to answer any types of questions and anything. I had my second at entry long 1 micro at the wicks. Get in, and my second entry is always at the wick lows. Second is my max. So you see the problem about that is, hard deep, bro. Yeah, that's right. I actually took the losses with reason, and let's put it back on. And also, hard deep, let me just clarify real quick. You have the benefit of hindsight. I didn't. So, yeah, say what you would like to, but it is what it is. Yeah, I took a long right here. Got stopped out. Very disciplined stop loss in my opinion. You need to build models to stop just hunting or using fair value gaps as reasons to enter. No, I agree with that. I definitely had some bad losses today. So, yeah, it is what it is. We're in the macro. We're displacing. But hard deep. At the same time, sure, I need to build a model. That's right. But at the beginning of the session, I discussed that we might come down, sweep this low, and then go higher. However, I do admit that I got impatient. So, yeah, that's my personal flaw. So, yeah. But it is easy to point it out when you're not the one live streaming and when you're not the one, when you're the one using hindsight to your advantage. So, yeah, it's cool. It's cool. But yeah, took some losses, and here are my losses. Being transparent about the losses, so it is what it is. I'm not pissed about them. It's going to go in the journal anyways. Down 300, by the way. And yeah, I'm looking for longs. Experience will get him where he needs, just stick with it. Absolutely, bro. Appreciate the words of advice. Thank you. Okay, we inverse this fair value gap. I'd like to take a long. I'd like to take a long off of this inverse fair value gap if we were to retrace back into it. But let's take a look at the 2-minute. Yeah, yeah, we completely inverse that. So that's like a good long location. Might have to move this up a little bit. Okie dokie. How long have you been streaming, Vish? This is my third stream, so 3 days basically. I streamed yesterday and I streamed last week. So yeah, I'm gonna be streaming Asia session over every night practically. I feel very disciplined today, regardless of my losses. The stop losses were tight. I shouldn't have entered for one full contract on 2 of them, but yeah, pretty glad that I'm learning these lessons either way. And as a viewer, I don't encourage you to take my trades at all. I just want to walk through what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it. So yeah. Everyone, please do me a favor and just subscribe. That means a lot to me. I will be streaming every single day. Asia session. And I think I might be streaming. Takes time, man. Stay with it on streaming. Yeah, absolutely, bro. No, honestly, I'm in this for the long run. Maybe 10 years, YouTube, 10, 12 years. I want to go consistently. I want to build trading into a full-time career, and I have the rest of like school to do that, things like that. So, yeah, absolutely. Blue, I appreciate the words of advice, by the way. Real shit. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, I can tell that. By the way, I'm going to be taking a 5 micro entry to the tick right here on this fair value gap. Limit buy, or actually, yeah. And if we come down here, It's going to be a limit by 2. And then my final entry will be down here for 3. So yeah, I'm just going to be averaging down, hopefully, depending on what we reach. And yeah, I want to build a nice solid position. Stop loss will be this wick right here. Or actually, I'm going to have to see. Longs above 21,000. I mean, I feel like we should just, I mean, if you think price is going to go to 21,000, then why don't you search for a setup that reaches into 21,000? You know what I mean? Like, come on, let's be logical here. Yeah, I've been looking for longs the whole night. Yesterday on stream, I called this buy side liquidity to be taken out, not in the Asia session, but just the next point of interest for NASDAQ. So yeah, may not have gotten my entry here. Potentially, I might skip past it, but that's okay. There is no setup. I mean, I kind of see a displacement, bro. I can tell Hardeep that, and you might get offended at this, but you are a little bit close-minded. This is clear displacement above a local high, showing that we are switching directions and reversing potentially. Therefore, the main setup that you should be looking for if you trade ICT is trading this fair value gap or this fair value gap. And I'm trying to get an early entry just because price might blast off. So, yeah. I'm not expecting it to come and actually take out the sell side liquidity. We ranged all day in New York, and that's what we are doing now. I mean, to me, it doesn't really look like we're ranging, bro. Like, this is a classic Asia session buy model to me. It's just the only problem is we haven't swept the sell side liquidity. So, yeah, it's an unsafe play. Canceling the limit orders. But, yeah, I mean, I agree with that. We did range all day. So, but that doesn't mean that's what we're going to do now. We're in the macro. We were super active at 750 in the macro. Volume is coming in. Look at that. Yeah, price has a higher velocity right now. So, yeah. I disagree with you, Hardeep, completely, respectfully, though. I feel like you're talking yourself out of entries, either because you're scared of entering due to previous price action, which is kind of irrelevant, or you're trying to preserve capital. And I respect it either way. So, yeah. You need to front some capital if you want to make profit at the end of the day. And I'm not saying you front it in a dumb way, like how you might be judging my trades, but at the end of the day, we're all trading here, and we're all trying to make money here. So, yeah. Took this local high. Now, what might happen, or not what might happen, but what we could do if we can't respect this fair value gap right here, which is my entry. If we do come back, retest it, and we inverse it, then I'll probably be looking for some type of exit. We have inverse right here. My stop loss is going to be down here. 975 is going to be a 7-point stop. If it's a 7-point stop loss, I can enter with full contract. Aren't his, but I think you're rushing. Cash is always a position. If they're not ICT's concepts, please tell me whose they are. Also, I think you're rushing. Cash is always a position. I agree with that. Cash is always a position.
Order filled.
But I don't feel like I'm rushing, because I have been waiting for this setup, and price is kind of doing what I want it to do right now. And I have a 145. I have a pretty good risk to reward ratio on this trade, actually, because I'm trying to play towards this buy side liquidity up here. And yeah, we got entered to the tick. Hey, ICT, regardless of whose concepts they are, I trust them and I respect them. So at the end of the day, I really like ICT trading. So yeah, and it's just what I use. I don't want to switch it up for anything because I've tried those indicators. I've tried those I've tried everything apart from ICT. And now when I've tried ICT, I fell in love with it. So yeah, I'm not an ICT trader, but wanted to see how you guys trade. Okay, yeah. No, Blue Boy, I'm glad. Hopefully, my earlier trades are kind of not a good representation, as Hardeep said, of ICT trading, but definitely, I'm hoping this trade will be a good representation of ICT, but either way, can't be overly greedy. I feel like I let my emotions in too much when I trade, and that's like one of my flaws. So yeah, when it comes to trading. Stolen concepts, he's a fraud and has failed every live account he's tried. Okay, either way, he's created people who make 6 and 7 figures. So, I mean, and that's undeniable. That's indisputable. Tanya trades, does it live every morning. Charmaine trades, shows his trades, and he has whatever, his Discord and whatnot. I tried SMC, Smart Money Concepts. I mean, you can use them both. Trade. Okay, so the essence of ICT is not about who the hell he is. This is the biggest misconception. You can distrust the person, but you can trust the concepts, right? ICT's basic conceptual knowledge revolves around the fact that he does the opposite of what retail traders do. He uses them as liquidity because they are the main liquidity providers of the market. I'm a retail trader. However, you must be inside of another retail trader's mind. Like, man, come on, I have a lot to say, but it works for Rich. Let him cook, man. Hey, I appreciate you, Blue Boy. Yeah, thank you for giving me my flowers, man. I appreciate you. You're a real one. Yeah, I want to see you back in the live streams again, Blue Boy, for sure. Yeah, you're a nice dude. Also, Hardeep, I want to see you in the live streams too. I enjoy debating people who, are against certain strategies. And me personally, Blue Boy, if indicators work for you, that's great, bro. I don't personally trade indicators because I've been unsuccessful with them, but, I'm never going to knock another man for his strategy. Like, all strategies work. It depends on who's trading them. Yeah, all strategies work. It just depends on who's trading them. And I trust that, being disciplined is, the most important thing in trading. Getting some pushes lower on this trade. See what happens. But yeah, actually this could be just a breakaway fair value gap right down here. And I could label that. I mean, I'm not really going to because I like to keep my charts nice and clean. I'm not hating, criticizing, or against IC content. I mean, Hardeep, I see a lot of people trying to criticize ICT, right? The person. And I can agree with like some of those critiques. Like if you've ever been on his 2025 mentorship, like he rambles a lot about people stealing his stuff, which has kind of turned him a bit cynical, right? But at the end of the day, like ICT, bro, the things he teaches for free are just very valuable in my opinion. And so if I see ICT critiques, I don't really mind because I understand how it looks, like especially listening to someone ramble about like somebody's mentorship doing this and that and stealing his concepts a lot. But basically the fact that his concepts like may or may not be his, which I think they are his. I haven't done much research into it anyways. I wouldn't care because I just trade. I'm a day trader. I'm not a propaganda believer or anything like that. Like I'm a day trader, bro. At the end of the day, like I don't really be looking at the nuances like that. But either way, his concepts are helpful. They've improved me as a trader and as a disciplined person. So yeah, I agree with your statement. But he gave a system to trade with. That is his value, as much as I don't like him as a person. Lol. Blue Boy, there it is. Said it. You summed it up perfectly. Yeah. It's not about who he is as a person. You should watch Iman's trading videos on him. He shows all the proof. Are you talking about Iman? I don't know who Iman is, bro, honestly. I don't be watching too much trading YouTube anymore. I just be watching like Charmaine trades. Iman trades. Oh, Iman trading. Okay. Yeah, I know who this is. There's some expose videos on Iman trading as well. So, I mean, I guess if that's the case, just don't trust anyone. Close your computer. Don't learn from YouTube. Like what do you want me to do, bro? Come on. Yeah, he shows all the proof. That's nice. I don't care about proof though, bro. Like, dude, I don't want to laugh at you and like belittle your opinions. But at the end of the day, bro, I'm a day trader. I don't have time to research and watch expose videos. I'm too busy learning the craft. And I haven't been putting time into the 2022 mentorship. I go to school, have all these responsibilities, bro. I don't really have time to do that. Literally came home, took a cold shower, went to sleep and just prepared for the live stream, bro. It's literally my freaking routine, bro. I'm not really about all that expose videos, dude. I'm not really concerned with whose character's going to be assassinated here and who's being a fraud there. I literally have paid $0 for a course. Never paid for a damn course, and I don't really want to sell one either because I feel like people need to learn for free, especially when it comes to trading. ICT does have its private mentorship, which I've heard about. But at the end of the day, bro, I've never paid for a course, dude, and if I'm getting the information for free, I got nothing to complain about, bro. I got nothing to complain about. Real shit. What's on major? I'm a business econ major. I'm finishing my master's next semester. Good stuff, bro. Congratulations. Yeah. What's your master's in? Just curious. 14 viewers in here. I appreciate y'all so much for being here tonight, putting your time into the markets. I know this live stream might be boring. We're just looking at a singular chart. But yeah, hopefully you're learning something. Just for those who just came in, new day opening gap, which is a draw on liquidity. We couldn't take the south side liquidity, but we did manipulate this low, then displaced above this local high, tapped into this fair value gap, and that was my entry. I have taken 3 losses today so far, trying to play this to the upside when it just was really coming to the downside. So I kind of disagree with my previous actions on this market, but I feel more disciplined than ever, and I'm trying to play this trade towards the buy side liquidity up here. However, this might hit during the London session, so yeah. And if it does, I'm gonna be up all night anyways. I'm gonna be streaming. This stream might end like maybe in 6 hours or something, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm trading, bro. I'm not gonna let my account go to dust. What's on? Well. Business admin, MBA with concentration in math. Nice. So, yeah, you seem like a pretty smart dude. You know what you're talking about. Yeah. Concentration in math. See, for me, my problem is math. I don't do anything math related. I hate math. Well, I don't hate it, but it makes the world go round. Because, But not attacking anyone, just a healthy debate / conversation. Absolutely. Yeah, we're having a good conversation with Hardeep. Hardeep, I appreciate you talking about my earlier trades and how I lost them and how there was no reason. I agree with you completely. There was no reason to take those trades. But at the end of the day, I took them, so I have to be accountable for that fact and, yeah, try and just take better trades for the day. So, the last level for price to respect, I feel like, is this inverse fair value gap. If we come down here, then I feel like I would take another entry of 3 micros, expecting it not to reach to my stop loss. But, yeah, I can delete this now. Need some water. Where's my water bottle? Okay. Math is just another language. That's real, bro. That's real. Physics is a whole nother language itself, bro. I swear. Yeah, physics is super annoying, dude. Never did good in that class. Let's try and hit 120 subs tonight. I'm at 119 subs. YNQ? Because I started off with crypto. I started off with stocks and then crypto and then futures. And I didn't do good in either. And I realized futures is more centralized. Crypto is just a bunch of bullcrap. I mean, I'm not going to knock crypto. People make millions off it. I have a friend who makes 6 figures off crypto. Another friend that makes a couple thousand. So I understand crypto completely and utterly. But I don't like it. I don't like trading it, man. So that's why I settled on futures. In futures, I did gold. I've actually gotten several combines passed on gold, but yeah, I did gold for a lot. I did gold in Nasdaq. I used to trade gold Asia session only, and then blow a lot of my profits Nasdaq. But yeah, no, I didn't trade Bitcoin when it was going up. Yeah, I did not. But I was watching the price though. I was very involved in that. Okay, we just closed above this candle. That's pretty good. Bull sign. Hopefully. Quite bullish. What time frame is this, Hardeep? This is a 1 minute. 1 minute time frame. But I am constantly switching between all time frames, just watching, seeing what's popping. But yeah. We displaced. Now we're showing signs of struggle. Maybe a little bit of accumulation before we go higher. It's just collecting buy orders. This is what ICT talks about a lot. But yeah, I do want to see us go higher, obviously. I'm in a long, so. Excuse me. Blue Boy, how's your crypto portfolio looking? I saw that TJR exited his crypto stuff. Nice, nice. Let me take a look at that position actually. Blue Boy. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. 38 is 0.5. Okay. 60, 38.5. Alright, hold on. Watch this, Blue Boy. Yes, sir. Blue Boy's position. Right here. Right here, chat. Where's that going? So, yeah, I think I have a feeling, man. Yes, mate, might make all-time highs very soon. I'm in a full contract right here. We've exited the macro. This macro is pretty active. I'm gonna move that down here now. Man, I don't know. Do y'all know what button to press to make the line like be straight? I don't know. I just use magnets, but it's not that helpful to be honest. Yo, have you guys ever had a Wi-Fi outage while trading? That shit's the worst, bro. Real shit. Gonna cut 3 micros off this trade up here. Just lock in like 18, 25, 18, 25, 25 times 6, 25 times 6. Okay, so once we reach these highs, hopefully, that would lock in $150 profit. I'm gonna actually put it up here, that buy side. Okay, so Victor Kirkwood, I'm new here. If you don't mind, can you explain what is a macro? Okay, so a macro is when there's an algorithmically programmed time, which is what ICT preaches, and ICT trading is like a specific conceptual type of trading. And basically, it's when the algorithmic time decides to, put and inject volume into the markets. So at 750, right? 750 to 810 is one of those macro timings. Another example is, I think, 1050 to 1110. That's another really good like ICT macro that's used by most ICT traders. So yeah, that's what a macro is. That's basically it. Yeah, you don't really need to know much more about macros. Good point. Explain a macro to us non-ICT traders. Yep, there it is. That's what a macro is. No crypto except a few dollars from change in purchases to get different stuff. Excuse me. I deemed it too volatile to really trade, but I did do some trades on it to 100K though. Excuse me. I keep burping. Yeah. Yeah, no, Bitcoin, man, it's way too volatile. Moves insanely insane. We've kind of moved above this high. We've had some good bullish closes above it. I mean, now I feel like it's just a slow walk towards 845 take profit, which is this buy side liquidity up here. But at the same time, we have this limit order, which is going to be taking 3 partials off of my 10 micro trade, which is, yeah, no problem, Victor. Just keep in mind that whatever I'm trading, it's ICT. Like, Victor, are you familiar with ICT trading? And if you are, then you'll hear macro being thrown a lot once you begin like learning through the mentorships and stuff. What size is this combine, and is it passed? Yeah, it's passed. Yeah, and this is 50K. But I'm just not showing any balances right now. Did some bad trades yesterday. Some bad trades today, but I'm back at it. And yeah, to the tick entry, beautiful. I love these types of entries, man. I love these types of entries. No first time hearing about it. Currently reading about it. Lol. Yeah, bro. There's no. It's never too late to learn ICT, for sure. I sound like an ICT glazer, man. I'm gonna take one off at ES highs if it starts rejecting. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep holding. Okay. Yeah, good stuff. I mean, I feel like rejection. Like, which highs are you talking about? Here, tell me which highs you're talking about. Blue boy. Are you talking about this high right here? 44. You watch my position. feel like we might come down, sweep out this low right here, and then move higher again. If it does want to aggressively push, I'm going to put a limit order. If they can get there in the next 2 candles. Otherwise, I'm going to take that limit order off. 2 candles to get to that limit order. Because that sudden price acceleration, it just seems artificial to me if it happens. Okay. Let's wait 2 candles. Because I want to add to this position at a place that I'm confident doing so. What is the quickest way to learn it? ICT, I mean, and yes, those highs you identified. Okay. So the quickest way to learn it is to trade it for a year. That's the quickest way. I know you're not going to like that answer. But basically, the quickest way to learn ICT, I really don't like those types of questions or those types of motives where you want to learn something as quick as possible, because that's just not going to happen. Like, you're going to experience so many losses trying to do that. You want to learn it to its entirety. For me, I've learned through trial and tribulation, to be honest. I've been trading ICT for like 6 months now, and I knew about it long before as well, but I just never used it. And I didn't really want to put in the work to learn it. But once I did, it proved very useful. And the quickest way to learn it, go through his 2022 mentorship. Watch other YouTubers other than ICT like Justin Werline. In Justin Werline's channel, he's going to have a playlist that says learn ICT concepts. That one really helped me. You want to learn videos that explain it in baby terms, like what are fair value gaps, things like that. I recommend trades for ICT concepts and then back test it, and it took me personally 3 months. Yeah. And there's always more to learn with ICT. There's certain nuances. For each new day opening gap, you have to extend it 5 days, 5 days after it's formed. I feel like he's added so many points of contention, so many draws on liquidity. What is it? Price discounted rates, all that. I mean, the person who explains it the simplest. Some people I see online explain it a lot quicker without all the filler and stuff. Yeah. No, but the 2022 mentorship is the best one that I'll recommend. It avoids a lot of the filler stuff of him ranting. But there's definitely still rants in there, but the videos are just shorter and more succinct and to the point. And the examples are also very helpful to learn. Yeah. Live for 2 hours, 13 minutes. This is my longest live stream so far, guys. So, yeah, I appreciate y'all for staying in here. Nice, yeah. If anyone else is in this trade with me, please say in the chat. I know Blue Boy's in it with me. Hardeep, if you're in the trade as well, please say. I'd love to know. And, yeah. It's a buy model to me. We didn't sweep the south side. Looks like we want to keep it open to take it out later. I mean, I feel like if that's the case, the more confident exit would probably be up here, That's the more confident exit, if I'm going to be honest. But 845 up there, I'm not too confident in that. I mean, to be honest, I feel like I'm going to have to hop off live stream tonight. I don't want to sleep at 3 a.m. I do want to also lock in my profits for the night. I've had a rough night so far, and I will be trading again tomorrow. But I'm going to keep my profit taking here at these equal highs because it's just the most probable location. I might add to my trade if we get lower, if we come lower again. But apart from that, stop's going to be to break even once I cross $300 profit or approach this new day opening gap. And then, yeah, we're going to see what's happening. T Trades is the GOAT. He's so simple and bro's voice is soothing. Let me take a look at who that is. I'm looking for at least 4 points. I hope we keep pushing, though. Yeah, absolutely. Happy trading, man. 21,080 is my exit. 21,080. Man, 080? Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, that's the draw on liquidity from... This is the draw on liquidity that I had outlined. What is that? 2,000 for me? Wow. That's nice, but... Chris Pedro, can you please explain to me why 21,080 is your exit? I would like to hear your explanation for that. That'd be interesting. Happy trading, man. I appreciate it. I hope we keep pushing, though. Yeah, happy trading back to you, bro, for sure. T Trades is the GOAT. Let me search who that is. I might have heard of him. T Trades. Just take those trims at buy side liquidity and then set stops at the low of the sweep. That way, if it runs to 21,025, you won't miss out. I agree. but I'm trying to lock in fulls to cover my losses earlier. T trades, okay. Man, this guy, I've watched some of T trades videos. Yeah, yeah, no, I like his videos. I feel like they just oversimplify it. They oversimplify it a little bit. Like, some of these videos are best explained with like an hour to 2 hour long ICT video, but yeah, no, I've definitely used his content before. You see, Hardeep, we've left these equal lows right here. We even have equal lows on ES. Do you use ICT's moneymaker model? And what ICT strategies do you use? The cyber farm. What's up, the cyber farm? Do I use ICT's moneymaker model? Well, I just use ICT. I just use ICT's model as a whole. Like, I just use several of his price discount array models. Price discount arrays long for PD arrays. Still gonna have to decide where I want to put my take profit. Do I use, and what ICT strategies do you use? There's several. I use fair value gaps, order blocks. I use, you have to evaluate fair value gaps on like every time frame. Also use manipulation, the power of 3. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution, price hunts liquidity. So liquidity is a big concept that I use. And yeah, hopefully I answered your question. If we sweep 21,000 and break lots of lows of sweep, we won't run back up. Break lows of sweep. I don't get what you mean there, but yeah, I feel like you're right. I mean, we have if we break the lows of sweep. Ugh. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. No, I feel like it's reasonable to have that manipulated. What's up, new around here? What's up, live prop firm trading? What's good, man? How's your progress so far, Vish? I'm chilling, man. Yeah, this is a market maker buy model. By the way. So, Hardeep, thank you for answering this question. Live prop firm trading, how's your progress so far, Vishnu? I'm chilling, bro. Today, specifically, minus 314, took 3 losses back to back. So that was pretty bad, pretty embarrassing, but, chilling, discipline's up. Chilling, bro, we're chilling. I need to answer another question. This one thing. Take those trims at buy side liquidity and then set stops at the low of the sweep. That way, if it runs 21,000, 25. You see, London session is so manipulative, and there's still so much time left in the Asia session. Like, it's only 8:25 Eastern timing, PM Eastern. So, like, I can let this run a little bit. I'd like to see its behavior at these highs for sure, but I'm gonna trim. I'm gonna trim at those highs, and I can just move my stops to break even. But yeah, there's so much time left in the Asia session. Like, I have no idea what it's gonna do, where it's gonna go. So yeah. Not too bad, brother. Nothing to be embarrassed about. Yeah, I appreciate, bro. Appreciate the encouragement. Yeah, absolutely. I'm never disappointed or, embarrassed about the losses. Maybe embarrassed wasn't the right word to use there, but yeah, no, I appreciate that, bro, for sure. You're right. Gotta get a haircut. This is the obvious draw on liquidity right here. This is initial buy side. And we also have the new day opening gap right above. I could really, I would add to that break even and let it ride. Not yet. When did you start your channel? Started my channel like 3 months ago, but I've really just been uploading consistently now for like 2 weeks. 3 losses and still trading, bro's better than me, lol. 2 losses in a row and the monitor gets turned off for me. No, absolutely, bro. But I knew that my setup was coming. And also, this is why I didn't put my stop at break even. 3 losses and still trading. No, that doesn't mean I'm better than you, bro. That just means I'm a tad bit less disciplined than you, Hardeep. You're more disciplined than me, that's for sure. Now, we do have a little bit of volume stepping in here. What is this? 8:30? Yeah. So maybe we can manipulate those lows and then pop right back up, hopefully. But if we don't, then this is probably the time when it could run my stop loss, take out this low, and then I'd still be confident. Actually live with my automated bot on Top Step. Okay. Today's market move is just perfect for me. Yeah, bro, that's good. I mean, me personally, bro, I don't believe in automated bots. By believe in, I mean, I feel like if it works for you, it works for you. For me, like I like trading manually, and I like, doing that. But yeah, bro, good stuff. And Top Step's allowing you to use an automated bot. Like, how does that work? Can you explain that to me? I don't know how that works. I've never really like seen it or done it myself. So that'd be kind of cool. Open to new ideas. So yeah. Hardeep, have you taken any trades on the night? Just curious. Like, I want to know. What you've been up to, because you've been in chat for a while. Today sucked for me, low, so unbelievably slow. No, absolutely, bro. The New York session was atrocious, man. That shit was AIDS, bro. That shit was terrible. But I mean, either way, yeah. Yeah, I did actually see some, and we can go back test New York session right now while this position's open. Let's go back test it. Let's go right here. This was a news low, news high. They have a few guests on that. Use and explain to them. So yeah, some bots are allowed on Top Step. Okay, thanks for answering. Yeah, took a 5-1 trade New York session. Post minutes reaction. Wow. So you traded the news. Okay. So I'm assuming you took this short right here. You said post news reaction, post minutes reaction. Yeah, Fed minutes. Right. Yep. Oh wait, hold on. What? Yeah, over here. FOMC meeting minutes. So yeah, I'm assuming you took the short. Good trade, bro. 5-1 risk rewards, amazing. I had a friend who called me yesterday. He took a 1-19 risk to reward ratio trade. It was this short from Asia session last night. Hold on, let me show y'all. Man, where the hell is it? Okay, yeah, it was this short. And actually, I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. It's gonna look at that. Took a short, got stopped out. Almost immediately, same candle. Put my stop loss right here. Thought it was gonna be a swing high. Look at that. Look at that. Tried a long here, got stopped out. So yeah, shit happens, shit happens. I'm not tripping about it. It's all good. Always live for another day. Always trade for another day. It's a bad trade, not a bad life. Hey, so Hardeep, how are you gonna say today sucked for you when you took the 5-1 risk reward ratio, bro? I don't think today sucked for you. That's a great trade. What was the sizing on it, and what made you enter? Hopefully we inverse that. Don't want to see us hang around there too long. If we do, then potential reversal to local lows. $16 viewers. Thank you guys. Everyone, please drop a subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Trying to hit 120 tonight. Almost there. Thank you guys. One trade out of millions. Absolutely, Blue Boy. You're right. Yes, Top Step is cool with the bot. Checked with all the coaches and customer support. Nice. So you started with Top Step today, live prop firm trading? You started with it today, I'm assuming. That's what you said earlier, I believe. But yeah, that's good, bro. Good stuff. Yeah, I know bots thrive in like consolidation. They love consolidation. I also took longs at 3:30 till close. Let's take a look at that. I know 3:30 had some crazy price action. Oh my goodness. You took these longs. Man. 3:30 is what? Here. Bro. That's crazy. Good stuff. I'm at 122 now. I want you to try it. Bro's giving me a little test, but alright, bet. I guess I will. Might as well. I mean, did you take the trade exactly at 3:30? I need to know what time you took the trade at, but I mean, you probably just took like a little order block around here. We definitely had displacement. We also had manipulation of this low. I actually back tested this earlier, so 2960. Let's take a look. 60 over here. Okay. And no, I've been with Topset for a few months. So let's see. Let me mark out your entry right here. Hold on. Can you tell me what time? 3:40? Okay. Bet. So that's probably your entry, right? Gotta factor in what people say sometimes. Oh, the time zone. I'm in. Oh yeah, yeah. Hardeep, what's your time zone, bro? Yeah, that's a good point. I'm in Eastern, by the way. So yeah, this is your entry. Let's just put like a little green because you made some green. I've got 4 contracts from 2978. 4 cons. Wow. Yeah, Chris is trading some size, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're hey, big boss, man. Big boss. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Glad to see you're profitable on that trade so far. 4 contracts. I'm at break even though now. Why? Why? How are you at break even, bro? Price is at 988. Your entry's at 978. But Chris, can you please explain to me why your exit is 21080? I just want to know that because that may change my outlook on the position too. But either way, let's take a look at this position. Yeah, so your entry was probably this candle. I lost 15K Monday. Oh, goodness gracious, man. What the fuck? 15K? That's crazy, bro. Monday? Man, no, it'd be the no news Mondays that'd be fucking everybody up, bro. It's all good. It's a bad trade, not a bad life. Chris, is that even possible? Yo, man, don't rub salt in the wound, bro. Don't rub salt in the wound. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, bro, this is simple continuation, if anything. I mean, you probably would have put your stop loss at this swing low, so yeah. No, Hardeep, he just probably had like more than 15K profit so far, or something like that. Because if you're trading four cons right now, you're a big, yeah, you trade size, so yeah. Yeah, it could have been copy trading too. Chris, give us context, man. Give us context. 2 hours, 30 minutes live. This is amazing. Yeah. Putting in the hours. I was trying to make 5K for my final 200-day for payout. Final day for payout. I wanted an even number. Bro, so you over leveraged and tossed your account away? Come on, bro. XFA was at 37,000. Bro, that's crazy. How long have you been trading the XFA, Chris? Also, are you an ICT trader? And that's great, by the way. I just want to say, regardless of the loss, bro, I can tell you're a good trader. Hold my trades 5 to 7 hours. Do you use stop losses? Also, that might not fly in New York session. That may fly overnight though. I don't know. I'm not gonna judge you though. You're clearly more profitable than me. But yeah, Hardeep, back to your trade. Yeah, I mean, there's this displacement. We come back, retest. We even retest this little order block right here. I mean, yeah, I could just say like your entry was off of this order block right here. That's a viable entry. I mean, look at how the wicks respect that. No candle closes below that. And then you could have put your stop loss this swing low. So yeah, that's probably what I'm thinking. Hardeep, let me know. Let me know what you were thinking at the time. Okay, you do trade ICT. Nice, nice. That was on my 4th day low. I only win 37. You know, Hardeep, you and I are very similar. We have low win percentages, but we make more money on our winners than we do our losers. Just to even out a number. No, I only win 30. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Heading out. Good luck, everyone. Appreciate you, bro. No, I only win 37%. If this NQ and hold, yeah, hit, I'm back at 30K ish. Okay, Chris. I mean, I don't know. Seems a little bit greedy. Looking at Delta, I think we're gonna break up. Okay, that's nice. Think we're gonna break to the upside. Nice. Hey, any more indications from chat? I appreciate it. Yeah, let's look at gold though. Let's take a look at its longs. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I was wrong about gold. We took south side. What was I thinking to say? Shorts. That's crazy. I just didn't look at it. Man, Chris is on top of his game, bro. Yeah, I got gold pulled up. Yeah, that's gold for you. 4 hour real quick. Okay, yeah, I got you. Come on, man. You got the charts, right? I don't mind doing this. That's bullish to me, actually. Swept this south side. I was always thinking up. Nice. 26.85. First take profit for me. Okay. Goodness gracious, bro. Yo, you know, I'm gonna mark out 26.85. Pedro, I need you back in chat tomorrow, bro. If that hits. Fib, my guy. Don't you ICT guys use as fibs too? I mean, we do. I could use standard deviation, actually. This is a standard deviation Fibonacci tool. We can extend it from here to here. And standard deviation. Look at that. Oh my goodness, wait. That's crazy, dude. Look at this. Look at where it aligned with. Holy crap, bro. What the frick? Look at where it aligned with. Exactly. Exactly where it aligned with. We've inverted this fair value gap base. Actually, not cleanly, but we have. Okay, like I was saying, initial buy side liquidity. It's a new week opening gap as well. Man, the draw on liquidity is so strong right now. It's more obvious than ever to me. By the way, hit 122 subs. Appreciate y'all. Yeah, that's crazy. For posting consistently for just 2 weeks, the growth is insane. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. 122. Nice. Man. We've had 104 people come through on the live stream so far, which is the most I've had. That's crazy. That's insane. So yeah, that's wild. Still got... I might do some back testing after this. Answer questions. I'll be back at it tomorrow, though. Thanksgiving Thursday, so everyone have a good Thanksgiving. I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate you. Appreciate that, Chris. Yeah, the last leg up of gold. We are in a pullback to the golden area of 50%, 61.8%. That's why I'm saying, man, that's kind of crazy. The 2 standard deviation level, exactly on my initial take profit. That's wild. But yeah, this trade is blown up now. Going to initial buy side. This is a perfect ICT trade, if anything, to the tick, man, to the tick. And now we're getting smooth price action, clean displacement. I'm going to do a continuation play for Asia after that initial drop at the open. All right, so speechless. I have a couple things to tell you. I lost $300 first on the session, but I will show my chart executions. Longed here, exited, longed again, exited. It was just trading consolidation, so I had to give it some more time. Longed again, exited, and yeah, no, blue boy for sure. That standard deviation math is insane, man. But yeah, then I took a long right here on this fair value gap, expecting this one down here to stay open, and we were also in the macro, so I was expecting price like showing me the reversal, so that was pretty nice. And then the continuation play, I wouldn't necessarily call this a I would call this a continuation play because it's continuing the price action from earlier, before market close. So yeah, then we just align my standard deviation. I don't typically use it. I just use liquidity, but all these equal highs right here, that's the play, that's the move. And yeah, I do want to see us go to this buy side, but we've had SMT divergence with that buy side, so I'm not really too keen on that happening. Okay, I've decided I'm not going to be greedy in the Asia session, and I will be trading tomorrow, so full take profit at this high. I don't want to be greedy in this Asia session. I just want to collect my profits, sleep happily. It's the most obvious draw for me. Yep, cheers is right. Appreciate you, bro. We filling entire wick on NQ, 25th candle of momentum is strong. Yeah, that's an interesting take. I don't really know what that means, bro. If momentum is strong. I'm greedy though. Yeah, I mean, Chris, two things that kill a trader, fear and greed. So I try to avoid that. Retest of the break, more buys. Retest of the break. This break, are you talking about break above these highs? Because if so, we might have just formed a low balanced price range if we can displace lower, which would be problematic for my long entry. But I mean, yeah. Alrighty, I'm back. Man, I swear. I think your take profit will hit smoothly. Yeah, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Keep in mind I'm on ES, and also pay Chris. I think your take profit of 21,080 will hit, just not tonight. Keep in mind I'm on ES. These smaller moves on NQ are a lot broader for me over here. Yeah, no, that's true. I was muted for a second. I just had to answer a phone call, by the way. But yeah, a lot broader for me over here. Yeah, no, ES moves a lot slower. That's also why I don't like to trade it, to be honest. Hey, look at that. I have 1, 2, 3 subscribers. Hold on. Oh, this is the camera over here. It says I have 1, 2, 3 subscribers. That's funny. That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, I plan to hold overnight. Yeah, that's good, bro. That's good. Where's your stop loss, Chris? Because I know your entry's 79. I want to know where your stop loss is, though. Because if you're going to have such a big position, I think you're going to have a take profit or not. Oh my gosh, no, man. No. That is detrimental. That is detrimental, bro. Come on, bro. No stop loss. What the That's crazy. Whatever works. Actually, no. Seeing 121 subscribers, maybe 2 people unsubscribed. Nah. Inverse fair value gap. Hopefully we find support on that. Just so y'all see that. IFVG. Inverse fair value gap. Bro, ICT is clockwork, bro. Real shit. Look at that. All I had to do is extend my inverse fair value gap. Next candle might drop. Okay. Look at that. Blue Boy, you were asking about ICT earlier. This is one of the biggest concepts in ICT, which is what a lot of traders thrive with, which is the inverse fair value gap. We were able to displace above this fair value gap, come back, retest it, and it shows that just because a fair value gap is filled, quote unquote filled, right? Doesn't mean it can't come back. It doesn't mean price can't come back and retest it. So, yeah. Live for almost 3 hours, by the way. I've been in this trade for, let's see. I've been in this trade for 50 minutes. It's pretty good. Nice. But yeah, answering all questions, so please ask away. There's a meme coin called Treesh, which is pumping. What the hell? Oh, that's crazy. Man, FOMC minutes day. I want to do a little bit more back testing while this position's open. This is what I was looking for. I was doing some paper trading earlier this morning, and basically, we had SMT divergence here, which didn't matter. I can delete that. Discount of the range. Delete that. Order block that we held, so I just longed here on a paper trader. Odds are higher that it keep pushing after testing it. In volume profile, we call those LVNs, low volume nodes. It's basically the space between swing low and a swing high on a lower time frame. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna keep pushing after testing. What are you talking about? Testing these highs right here. By the way, these equal highs, bro. I've never seen anything cleaner. I've really never seen anything cleaner than that. That is just looking beautiful to me. Those equal highs, and I'm actually going to enter more once we reach above this new day opening gap, and then display, and then come lower and retest a little bit if that happens, or when that happens. Hopefully it happens, but I'm definitely looking to enter more contracts to collect more profits, because these equal highs are just looking way too much. Oh, okay, fair value gaps. Okay, nice. Yeah, I mean, so at the end of the day, like, everything's algorithmic, and People can believe that or they don't have to. I mean, I believe that's algorithmic just because of what I see in price. Like, price wants to take out those equal highs because people have their buy stops above that. Sellers have their buy stops above that. So it's just what price targets, so that can eliminate and refresh liquidity. So yeah, so once we bounce off this fair value gap, 21,010, I'm adding half my original size. Holy, bro's doubling down. Same plan scaling. Yo, you gotta put a stop loss break even, bro. I'm keeping my stop loss at the same place. This is a, let's take a look. Long position. Take the magnet off. $3.55 RR trade. That's beautiful. I'm not gonna add to this position. I'm not adding to it. That's enough for me. I'm not gonna get greedy. We're not even halfway there, but yeah, almost halfway there. Let me keep that there, actually. Same plan, scale in. Yeah, I mean, Chris, bro, you're trading with a lot more size than me, so I can't really judge. But just to me, no stop loss is insane, but yeah, I can't tell you what to do. No, I do have stop losses at break even. Okay, nice, nice. Phenomenon. Yeah, yeah. That's at break even. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Bro said take profit or nothing earlier. It's crazy. Are you from India? No, I was born in America. Parents are from India though. Your stop loss is at my entry. Well, it's around there. Where I'm from the United States. Stop loss is at my entry. I just noticed. Your entry is 79, right, Chris? I'm seeing some acceleration of price right now. This inverse fair value gap right here. Let's take a look right here. I don't want to see us cross below that again. Yes, around here. Yeah, around there. Okay, yeah. Need to make a phone call real quick. All right, I'm back. My girl is not yelling at me. My mom is, but I'm seeing sellers pulling out, looking at volume and delta. Yeah, bro. I don't trade with volume profiles, and neither am I willing to pay for them. But yeah, it looks like that's the case. They could be waiting for a specific price to sell, or they're moving out of the way. Like I said earlier, though, I believe price is algorithmic, so selling and buying pressure is irrelevant to me. But yeah, it's an interesting take. Is the camera angle chilling? Is it good? Looks like a break. Absolutely muted. Yeah, YM just hit price. Just PDH. Price might reverse here. TC. Yeah, I mean, I don't really use YM to base my Nasdaq trades. Only really in the AM session. But let's take a look at YM though. Bro, YM is continuing higher, bro. I don't see a reverse, to be honest. Reversal. But how do I change my name? Okay, for changing your name, I don't think you can. For other apps like Discord and stuff, if you're in a server, it'll work. But I don't really know about changing your name on YouTube. Unless like you manually change your username in settings. Order block, I don't know. I've had this login since YouTube first came out. Nice. Order book, we got a nice ice bread buyer at 60.42. Oh, nice. Okay, good signs. I'm back. Wizard Chris. Okay, type shit. So you change your username. Nice. Gold, go. We might break the little range too. Let me take a look at gold. Oh, bro, you're cooking with this gold trade. You're cooking with the gold trade. Good work. Nice one. Nice. We might break the little range too. You trade with God. I will trade with science and math. Yo. I'll trade with science and math. I mean, I feel like overcomplicating it with that. Like a lot of people get like degrees in like quant and stuff, and like you don't need all that. You can just trade. Change my name. I'm here. Nice. Wizard Chris. Okay. Almost 3 hours live. This inverse fair value gap, kind of irrelevant now. I'm gonna keep it up there, but I would like to see us not really close below it. But if we do, then I mean, I'm not really gonna exit the position. But yeah, I feel like lowest will come is here to take this south side. This internal low, and then we can move higher again. That's the lowest I think price would go before running to my take profit. But yeah, just messing with you, man. Yeah, I know. You traded God, I'll trade with science and math. Yeah, I know. That's funny. That's a funny way of putting it, though. If this trade didn't work out, I probably would have been on my toilet taking the world's largest shit. Being ready, being prepared for tomorrow's New York session, which I'm going to be trading. Loki got a dump, but I'm in a trade right now, so I can't move. There we go. Bro, come on, yo. This is crazy. This is crazy right here. I'm walking you guys through price, marking out things as they happen. I marked out this inverse fair value gap. What do? Bounce off the equilibrium of it. Marked out this inverse fair value gap. What do? I called it. You guys were here. I called it. We're not going to close below it. If we do, that'd be problematic, but I said I don't want to see it close below it. Boom. Look at that. ICT is real, for sure. ICT is real. So 12 viewers in here right now. Everyone, please subscribe. Everyone, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. I really do appreciate it. What is ICT? It stands for Inner Circle Trader, and it's just like it's a large, like, not necessarily big like fan base type thing, but it's like a concept based trading, or algorithm based trading, which kind of it's based off the assumption that price moves to hunt liquidity, which are like old highs and old lows. Like this is buy side liquidity. These are equal high liquidity. Old highs and old lows. So like sell side liquidity down here. So price moves to hunt buy side and sell side, and it also hunts to refill imbalances, like this fair value gap right here that I took an entry on, which you can see my entry right there. So yeah, as transparent as can be. Don't need chart executions on right now. Okie dokie. Trade's been up for an hour, 6 minutes. I've been streaming now for 3 hours, longest stream, most viewed stream as well, and yeah, I appreciate it. I'm gonna be streaming a lot more. It's definitely motivating. Total stats on the stream. I've gained 8 subscribers from this stream. It's been viewed 123 times, so 123 different people have been coming into the stream. So I think that's pretty crazy, and I think, yeah, it's only up from here. And I'm gonna continue streaming, continue being as transparent with the trades, and yeah. To the tick entry, inverse fair value gap respected, inverse fair value gap respected. Bro, it does not get better than this. Oh my goodness. And now we're about to take this initial buy side. I don't have any partials here. I don't really care about that one right there because we also have new day opening gap that I want to see us move through. So yeah, we tapped into it initially, but we couldn't do anything with it. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Stop loss is 100% going to break even now. I'm only going to keep it right here for -10 just so I can see the number value on my position. In TPO, our hierarchy is volume, time, price. What is... Okay. The hierarchy in ICT terms. Oh, clean price action tonight from Nate. Yeah, bro, for sure. It's pretty clean. I mean, this doesn't look too clean to be honest, but the model looks clean, and I'm just going to draw the model out before I answer your question, Blue Boy. Market maker buy. As simple as it gets, bro. As simple as it gets. But low-key, you might make me want to begin streaming. I rarely talk about trading to anyone. Bro, for real, like I didn't talk about trade. I don't talk about trading to like a lot of my friends. Like I just tell them, look at the content if you want to see anything about trading. Like a lot of people want to learn trading, but then if you offer to help them, they create delays because then they have that comfort of knowing somebody's there to help them. So streaming allows me to help multiple people at once and just talk about my trades. It's not only about helping people, it's also about, like, that's obviously like a noble thing to do. Like, oh, I'm here helping people, but no, that's not actually why. It's because you get second opinion from other people and you get to teach something from time to time. Well, with ISS, the hierarchy and ICT terms, I'm tweaking. The hierarchy and ICT terms, I think the hierarchy goes from liquidity is obviously the initial target. You always want to trade with some type of directional bias. So where's the draw on liquidity? For me, the draw on liquidity right here is like very obviously this mark right here. We want to see price take that high, which means it just liquidated some sellers, meaning it hit their buy stops. Then the next part of the hierarchy is imbalances. So like fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, things of that nature. And I feel like one thing that's very underrated on the ICT hierarchy, I guess, is manipulation. So look at this. Before we aggressively displaced, what do we have right here? We had displacement. We had manipulation. Price swept this low. It manipulated. It tricked people thinking they're going to go short right here and then immediately getting stopped out with this large displacement leg. But yeah, we're about to take this first initial buy side liquidity. That's a pretty big inflection point. Volume trumps time. Time trumps price. Absolutely. It's extremely. You're just asking to understand, not argue. Yeah. No. I understand. Yeah, no, you're not arguing. It's all good. Okay. Pretty long trading session. But I like the long ones. I like the long trading sessions. Builds patience and builds discipline. For sure. I'm just literally chilling here while price does its thing, walking through what happens with price as it goes. Liquidity imbalances. Manipulation is kind of like one of those smaller things that's kind of overlooked in my opinion, but it's there. And boom, we just hit the equilibrium of the new day opening gap. Algorithmically priced into it. And now, I want to see what price does next. Hopefully we displace higher. These equal highs are just the most beautiful target for me. I've really never seen anything like it. So freaking beautiful. But yeah, don't want too much on my chart now. This is a very clean model. We even have the standard deviation here, number 2, right here. Yeah. Yeah, this chat has been extremely active. I appreciate all the comments, all the questions, everything. Yeah, no, I've definitely had fun today. For sure. Yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Do you usually trade Asia? I trade it every single day. Yeah, every single day. So the reason I took this buy model without us actually sweeping sell side, and if you skip back in the stream, you'll see that I talked about how I want to see us sweep this sell side and then displace higher. The reason I took this long, regardless of us not sweeping sell side, is because we displaced. We created equal lows with ES, which I think are going to be tapped later in London session maybe, but yeah, this was so far I'm break even on the night. I haven't exited this position, but lost 300 initially, up 330 right now on this position. And yeah, we displaced, tapped into this fair value gap, got an entry to the tick, and yeah, playing it nicely now. New day opening gap has been priced in, so we'll see what happens. I mean, let's look at the 2-minute, 3-minute time frames, 5-minute. 5 minutes super bullish to me. Yeah. Not moving my take profit, just experimenting. Hold my beer. I don't know what that expression means actually. Let me search that up. Google at my fingertips. Oh no. What are you about to do, bro? What are you about to do? Oh, 340. Okay. A lot of volume is stepping in inside this new day opening gap. You can see this candle is twitching. It's tweaking. This candle is tweaking. We've priced above this wick. Hopefully we can displace now. I think there's a lot to learn in this stream about ICT. I talked about inverse fair value gaps, liquidity, regular fair value gaps, market maker buy models, standard deviation projections. There's so much covered in this stream. I think I feel like I provided like such maximum value to the viewers. So give some feedback in the comments in the chat, please. Let me know what y'all think about this stream. And yeah, definitely I don't plan on doing some type of mentorship or anything anytime soon, but because I don't have the results for that yet. But definitely, I think I'm becoming a better teacher and a better trader. So yeah, took some bad trades earlier though. It is what it is. I'm not even using a mouse right now, by the way. It takes up too much space on my desk. I just want to use a simple little trackpad. Been streaming for 3 hours 10 minutes. So real quick in the chat, I like that you're walking through trades, explaining the process and thought. Helps you think out loud and refer to this later for study. Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. Thinking out, talking to an audience or like anyone, discussing it not only reinforces it for them, it reinforces it for you as well. So yeah, for the person saying it. So absolutely, it's gonna help me for sure. Refer to this later for study. 100%, 100%. Yeah, appreciate that. So probably got some more time to spare on live. If take profit hits, I'm requesting my first futures payout 10K even. Nice. That's beautiful. That's amazing. Good stuff. Goat, new week opening gap, dog. Yeah, I mean, this is a new day opening gap, but new week opening gap was earlier, right? I think new week opening gap is above that, is it? No, it's below it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's here. This is new week opening gap. I should extend that farther across my charts. Okay, we are at 400 profit on this trade. Almost at that take profit mark of 515, and I will be, yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. First payout 10K even. That's crazy. Good stuff. If you pull an all-nighter, I'll sub. Bro, you got to sub without the all-nighter. Blue boy, are you in gold? Let's see what gold's doing now. Man, gold is still going crazy. Chris called that. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Good stuff, Chris. Good stuff. Yeah, blue boy. Yeah. Stream all night. Nah, bro. I'm not gonna be streaming all night. I'd have some time to spare after this, so I'm gonna be back testing a little bit of entries earlier in the week that I could have taken like Monday and Tuesday. And I'm just gonna be showing some stuff that I potentially back tested. Will you trade live Asia session daily? Yes, I will, Sophie. Oh, Hard Eat's back. Nice. Did you live trade in New York? No, I did not. I paper traded it while I was sitting in class, but no school tomorrow, so I'm gonna be maybe live streaming New York tomorrow if I'm feeling it. I'm not expecting great price action tomorrow. Let's actually check the news on Forex Factory. USD tomorrow 10 a.m. We do have some news 8:15 9 a.m. Eastern, but there's man. Oh wait, this is yesterday. This is today. Okay. Tomorrow. Yeah. 8:30 and then 9:45 10 a.m. Bro, I don't know what trades I'm going to do tomorrow. Okay. Hardy's just not been talking in chat, but okay. All-nighter. I was watching gold, but one trade at a time this close holidays. I want to get to heavy in position. Yeah, exactly, yeah. I don't think gold will get the volume, potentially. I low-key do ask at school, could you teach me trading from the ground up so I can learn? Yeah, bro, if you tune into live streams daily, you'll learn a lot for sure, yeah. Today, I mean, if you want some type of like, some type of advice on where to start, I trade ICT. You can check out ICT's channel, but some basic concepts to get started, so you don't have to really sit through his like hour-long lectures and stuff. Liquidity, which is this low, initial buy-side liquidity right here. That's just an example. We have fair value gaps, we have standard deviation projections, and inverse fair value gaps. There's so many things to learn, but yeah. I'm in longs as well. Also macro timings, figure out about that. I'm in longs as well. Nice. What's your entry price, Hardeep, and what's your target? A lot of news tomorrow. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. It's not gonna be heavy impact as FOMC meeting minutes and things like that, but Or actually, wait, no, the meeting minutes didn't have such a great impact. Yeah, news is gonna be chilling tomorrow. I'm not gonna trade too much. Maybe PM session I'll trade news, but other than that, I'm not really keen on trading before news. You mainly got sell stops beneath the highs we just broke. Okay, that's a risky little. That's a risky little sell stop. I mean, I honestly should lock in some profit. So, yeah, I'll do that. We can just do this. How long have you been trading? I wasn't profitable for 3 years. This is my first year trading. You were in my school. My For You page getting too local, bro. Yo, that's crazy. I'm probably not in your school though, to be honest. If I'm on your For You page, I wasn't profitable for 3 years. That's all I want for tonight. Half off for me. Good stuff, Blue Boy. Good trade. Thanks for joining in, bro. Hopefully you stay till the end of this trade to see what happens. But yeah, bro, appreciate you. You kept the chat active, conversative. So I appreciate it. Got sell stops beneath the highs we just okay. I already talked about that. I low-key do asset school. Can you teach me? Yeah, I also trade kind of bad at school. I don't know. I feel like I'm more impatient in a classroom. I'm in your YMCA. Yeah, I go to the Y every day, bro. Gotta get that exercise. Yeah. That's all I want for tonight. Half off for me. I got in 20,995. We run in 21,025. 995. And we're running to 21,025. Now 21,025, I have that level marked out, of course, because it's just the buy side liquidity. But I feel like that's not going to happen in the Asia session, so I'm not going to be holding till there. But good luck on that trade, though. Good luck. Wish you the best on that one. Blue Boy is my cousin. Lol. Oh, that's crazy. I didn't know that. That's cool to have a cousin that trades, though, for sure. That's tough. That's good. Almost that final take profit. Y'all, are we besties for life? Absolutely, bro. Come on, man. Hit that take profit already. Quit edging. I'm only holding one contract now out of two type shit. There we go. Bro, I swear Nasdaq be doing this, bro. I might just take my profits and dip. I'll let it hit it. I mean, there's several. Today I used the displacement retest model, I guess you can call it that. Displaced above this local high, didn't really sweep south side, but then when you retrace into a fair value gap, that was my entry to the
Order
tick.
filled.
And boom, just like that, plus 200 on the day. Shouldn't have lost 300 initially, but man, that feels good. I got caught trading a test and I got reported. Yo, wait, that's funny. Okay. Yeah, this was a trade. Good stuff, guys. Appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm going to do some back testing in a minute, but real quick, let me just show y'all. This was a trade. Stop loss was over here. And take profit at this line right here. And boom. Look at that. We're running above. Hey, 25, man, it's going to hit this session, hopefully. Hopefully. That's crazy. I found your Instagram. Yeah, bro. Please follow. Thank you. Which ICT model do you use frequently? I already answered that. I got reported. That's Fox, dude. I don't know why they would report you. They should encourage it, if anything. It would knock out one before pumping. Lol, it's okay. You study business, well. Yo, this is a good trade. I'm happy I took this trade. Good little 3.55 RR, 3.55 to 1 RR. Risk to reward ratio. We even have. Yeah, this was a good rebound day. I needed that. Alright, guys. That's nice. Let's see what it does next. Went straight to the 2.5. Could have held runners. I'm going to let my single run. Hopefully it keeps running up. Yeah, hopefully, man. So had I let it run, what would I reach? What profit would I reach? 2044, 2025, 17, 340. Oh, I would have made like 800. And that's cool. I'm not worried. I'm not tripping about it. Made my money. I'm out for the night. Not going to lock myself out because I got to trade New York tomorrow. But yeah, that's good. Profitable day. It's a great live stream. So like I said, I've been streaming for 3 hours, 20 minutes now. A little bit tired, but let's go do some back testing. Daily dose of back testing. My 4 contracts at $2,000 now. Wait, never mind. That's my gold. On 2 micros, lost 1 on profit. I feel like we might consolidate here before rushing to 25. The smarter move was definitely to hold till 25, but I'm not really gonna complain about it. I'm out now, so yeah. Anyways, let's go to Monday. Let's go to Monday. 24th. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys some more examples of just an ICT trade that I paper traded on Monday. This was like a $5,000 paper trade because I just did it. I took it with 5 contracts. But this was a paper trade solely. Yeah, YM is absolutely going crazy, man. What the hell? I was peeping that earlier. The shit's insane. I didn't have to exit so early. But these equal highs, bro. That was everything I needed, so yeah. Anyways, enough coping. Blue boy, I'll miss you, my G. If gold breaks that last highest wick on hour and retest, I might buy, just not liking that holidays tomorrow to take it. Yeah, I don't know. Tomorrow's price action might be kind of weird. I don't know. I'll have to see. I might not even like trade that. Okay, let's go. Russell is a beast right now. I used to trade Russell a little bit. Okay. So basically what happened here is, and this is an interesting thing, we had a 2-minute order block. Oh my gosh, every time I change time frame, it's going to have to do this, bro. You freaking kidding me? Okay, let's go. So 2-minute order block. And this was actually a breaker block. And it was just a breaker block. We can just call it that. So this was entry. And the reason why I say this was such a good entry, and this was just a paper trade, by the way. Get your money up, not your funny up. You dig, day 2. Nah, that's crazy, Kishan. Okay, so right here, fair value gap as well. I believe this was a 3-minute fair value gap that I marked out. I'm not going to change time. Man, I'll change time frames. I forgot what time frame fair value gap it was, but basically it was an inverse fair value gap. Could be a 5-minute actually. Let me check one more time. Nope, it wasn't. It was this a 1-minute, bro? What the fuck? Oh, it's a 15-minute. It's a 15-minute. Has to be a 15-minute. Nope. Dude, I actually forgot what time frame that. But anyways, there was a fair value gap there. And good night, Blue Boy. Thank you for tuning in, bro. Yeah, holding the position smart. Looks like we might rip to all-time highs soon. Day before Thanksgiving. That would be logical. I might catch some profits. What time is it? Where I'm at, it's 9:31 Eastern. 9:31 p.m. So yeah, this was just a little trade off of a breaker block and fair value gap. It's exactly what I took today, to be honest. Not the breaker block part, but the fair value gap to the tick. And took it to the new week opening gap and got my profits on just a paper trade. I didn't actually take that trade. I would do more back testing, but guess we have a position to watch. You know what? Would I re-enter this? No, I would not. That's just breaking every rule in the book. But do I want it to hold this for value gap? Yes. No, Nikki. Oh, Shane. Yeah, I got you. I'm blessing you with all the emotion. Japanese futures. Oh my gosh, bro. I used to trade some of NKD. The losses would just skyrocket. It's crazy. Yo, what the fuck? This brother's tripping. Yeah, I'm done for tonight, guys. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Appreciate y'all. Real quick, let me just play the disclaimer. Don't leave just yet. But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. It's been 3 hours, 30 minutes. Everyone, please hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Please like. I'm going to be live again tomorrow. And yeah, I enjoyed live streaming today. I appreciate y'all a lot for tuning in. For sure. This was fun. This was fun. This live stream got 150 views, 12 likes, and yeah, like maybe over 12 people. I think 13 people subscribed. So yeah, it's looking really good right now. Definitely very motivated to trade again tomorrow. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to be more disciplined, I guess. I lost 300 to start the session, but end of the session nice and profitable, taking these highs, So yeah, Hawk 2-0 worthy is crazy, bro. You're such a troll, dude. Bro, no, that's crazy. I've never seen someone use that word like that, but that's valid, bro. I guess it is. It is hella worthy of that. I'm not even gonna lie. 130 subscribers. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. But yeah. All right. I'm gonna be turning off the live now. See y'all tomorrow. Appreciate it, guys. Specifically, appreciate it to Blue Boy for keeping the conversation alive throughout the entire stream. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah.